Hello everyone, let's dive into the StarTech.com 2-port USB-C KVM switch. This compact device is designed to streamline your workspace if you're juggling multiple USB-C laptops or tablets. First impressions are positive. The build quality feels solid, thanks to the acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) material. Its small footprint, at just 5.5 by 2.8 by 0.6 inches, means it won't hog valuable desk space. Setting it up is straightforward. It's essentially plug-and-play. The key selling point here is its ability to switch between two USB-C devices while using a single HDMI monitor. It supports up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, ensuring a crisp and clear display. This is a huge plus for anyone working with visually intensive tasks like video editing or graphic design. One of the standout features is the 100W power delivery pass-through. Using dedicated USB-C power adapters, this KVM switch can deliver up to 90W of charging power to each connected laptop simultaneously, with 10W reserved. This keeps your devices powered up while you work, eliminating the need for extra chargers and cables. Compatibility is broad, supporting USB Type-C, USB 4, and Thunderbolt 3.4. This makes it a versatile option for various devices. The manual operation mode is simple and effective, allowing for quick switching between devices. The StarTech.com KVM switch is bus-powered, adding to its convenience. It operates at 5 volts and 2 amps, ensuring efficient power usage. The direct pluggable terminal in USB-C and HDMI connector types makes setup hassle-free. This switch is also TAA compliant and RoHS certified, meeting important regulatory standards. The surface mount design and dip switch type further contribute to its ease of use. In summary, the StarTech.com 2-port USB-C KVM switch is a well-designed and functional device that can significantly improve productivity for users managing multiple USB-C devices. Its 4K 60 Hz support, 100W power delivery, and broad compatibility make it a worthwhile investment for a cleaner, more efficient workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.